Hello everyone. Hi. There, let's have some learning about the earlier city. I will start by giving you some detail about the lesson. First of all, we are going to discuss about the objectives of the chapter, that what will you learn in this chapter. The settlement pattern of the Harappan civilization. Second, you will learn unique architectural features, then craft production, and the case study, the North and West, Dholavira and Lothal. The objectives of this chapter introduce the idea that strategies of expansion and their logic differ and explain the development of different administrative systems. Now, first of all, I will tell you what is the meaning of civilization. Civilization means the society which has its own developed culture and way of life is known as civilization. One of the earliest civilization in human history by the archaeologists as the Indus Valley and Harappan civilization. The Harappan people were considered to possess sophisticated knowledge about all spheres of life including settlement, town planning, art, weight, measure, jewelry, implements, and so on. Now, the ruins of Harappan were first described in 1842 by Charles Mason and an excavation campaign under Sir John Herbert Marshall from 1921 to 22 resulted the discovery of civilization at Harappa. The discovery of the Indus Valley civilization. Some 150 years ago, engineers laying railway track in Punjab discovered the city of Harappa. They found that the buildings there were built of very high quality clay bricks. But it was only about 80 years ago, as I have already told you, that archaeologists came to know about it, and they now believe that the city of Harappa is around 4,700 years old. It is one of the oldest cities of the Indian subcontinent, and all sites with similar buildings were named after it. Now I am giving you introduction of this chapter through this PPT. Then we will go through the chapter. The architecture, houses, streets and drains. City in the Indus Valley civilization, cities were divided into two parts, western parts and eastern parts. The western parts known as the citadel and in Hindi in Durg were smaller and higher, and it had important buildings. The other one, the eastern part, were lower but larger and it known as the lower town. These towns were surrounded by the strong walls made by the big brick placed in an interlocking pattern. Attached interlocking pattern means attached brick with each other. Major buildings. Now, after when the Harappan cities were divided into two parts, and the cities, the various sites were there. So the first, the Great Bath built in the citadel. As I have already told you, the western part known as citadel, and on the citadel, I am talking about Mohenjo-daro side, had room on all sides. It was made of bricks and coated with plaster and natural tar, means charcoal, to make the watertight. Fire altars in Kalibanga, present-day Rajasthan, and Lothal, Gujarat, were probably built to perform sacrifice. Big stores used to store grains were also found in Harappa, Lothal, and Mohenjo-daro, where the people stored their food. Houses. The cities of Indus Valley civilization had houses with one or two story. Those houses had separated bathing area and room built around a courtyard, and some also had wells. Now we talk about drains and streets. The drains were laid in straight lines and had gentle slopes for ease flow of water, were covered and had inspection holes for cleaning. Now the major drains pipe were directly connected to each house and formed a network of smaller drains. Now the next is the life in the city. Power in the city was controlled by the three types of people. First, the rulers who planned the construction of new building and area in the cities. Second, the scribes who knew how to write and they helped in preparing seal. A seal, a device used to make an impression in wax, clay and paper. And the craft person. Third people were craft person who traveled in search of raw material and made different things out of them.